Hi there, my name is Linda and I am starting a new series called Credit Card for Beginners. So if you are new to credit card, you are at the right place. Or you have been using credit card for some time but you just want to watch for more information, you are still welcome to watch this video. So throughout the series, I'll be talking about what credit card is, how you can get them, the types of credit card, and the best way to use credit card so you don't get into debt, but rather you will use it to build your credit score. So let's dive into it. Episode 1 is named Credit Card 101, what are credit card and how they work. A credit card is a tool that allows you to borrow money, or a lender will give you money that you can use now and then you pay it later. This is a form of loan. The credit card also have a credit limit, that is how much they've given you or allow you to use. Now your credit limit will depend on your credit history. So if you are new to credit card, this is your first time you're applying, they will give you a lot of money, let's say $300 or $500 or $1,000. But once you started building your credit and you have a good credit history, they will increase your limit. Now, anytime you go to the shop or you swap your card, you tap or you buy online, you are using portion of your credit limit. So let's say your credit limit was $1,000 and then you go grocery shopping, buying gas, and at the end of the month you spend $800. It means that you have used $800 of your $1,000. So the balance that is left for you to use is only $200. At the end of the month or your billing cycle, you will be getting a statement. The statement is going to just show you clearly how much you spend on your credit limit, or how much you have left and how much you spend. This also tells you what you have to pay and also tells you the minimum payment you have to make. Now, you can make payment in full, or you can decide just to go with the minimum payment. So in the example we are using, we said that your credit limit was $1,000. You use $800 on other stuff, right? So you now owe the bank $800. You can decide to pay this in full, which is the best way, or you can decide to pay the minimum payment. The minimum payment can just be like $35 or $50 per month. Now, if you are only paying the minimum payment, what is going to happen is they're going to charge you interest on the rest of the money that you did not pay, and that is where credit card becomes very, very expensive. So remember, credit card is not a free money. It is a loan given to you by the bank. But if you use this wisely, you will use it to build your credit history. If you did not use it well, you will start accumulating debt. And I don't want you to be in debt. In episode 2, we will be talking about the major types of credit card and how to pick the best credit card that fits your lifestyle or that will work for you and your family. If you are still watching, I want to say thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, like, follow, comment, and share this video to your family, your friends, or anybody at all that you think will need this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.